Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see here, I'm on the JetBrains website ready to download the IntelliJ IDE. So how did I get here? Just go to jetbrains.com. So go on the home page here, jetbrains.com, and you'll see here four options. Obviously we're using the IntelliJ based IDEs, so you just click here, find your IDE, and you'll see here the IntelliJ IDE in the top left. It could be different, but just scroll down until you find the IntelliJ IDEA. So download, and you'll then see this page which we were first on. So Ultimate or Community Edition. The Ultimate Edition, it costs. The Community Edition is free. We will be using the Community Edition as it's free and it does everything we need it to do. So you click download. So I've already got it on the computer, so I'm not going to be going through the exact steps. But what you do is you wait for it to download, open up the file like you normally would for any installation, follow the installation process, where you want it to be located, etc. And you'll then be asked if you want to import any settings. Assuming you haven't downloaded this before, you don't need to. It's only if you want to copy settings that you've got from another installation you've done with this particular IDE. Then when you first open the IDE, so I've got the IDE here, you'll be taken to the home page. The home page of the IDE, it will then ask you to tell the IDE where the JDK files are located. So it's very similar to what I did on the installation troubleshooting video, where I told the system where the Java development kit was located, but you should really be in system OS, program files, Java, and then click the JDK. My version was 251 if you don't remember. And then that will tell the IDE where your Java development kit is located. You will only have to do this once. So after you've done this, you don't have to do that again. But it's important you get that, otherwise the IDE will not know where the Java development kit is and it won't be able to make the applications we need it to do. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave a comment or send a message. And see you in the next lecture.